Yo, what's up everyone? Today's vlog is about an epic ride through Abuja city with the metallic blue riders. We are pulling off on one of the fastest 5-minute stand rides you've ever seen. We are all heading out to meet a fellow biker here in Abuja. Today one is going to be a wide one, so buckle up. Let's hit the road. Make I not lie. Now Abuja get the best road for this Nigeria. I don't think any state comes close to Abuja. If you see roads, anywhere you just go, you just see good road. No potholes. I really enjoyed all my ride within Abuja. It was so sweet. See the way people just they pull. See the way bikers just they pull. The road is too sweet. And one other thing I respect about Abuja is they are road users. They really give space for bikers to move, and everybody enjoyed the ride. All these people know people like Lagos people. All those ones could just enter your front. They know it's your papa. Abuja road users, they are really conscious of bikers, and I actually respect that about them. So yeah, I was already on empty tank. My fuel is actually low, so I need to fuel up my bike.
Fill up. Smoke. Sorry.
So yeah, this is Mr. Kel.
My friend. My paddy friend.
So yeah, this is not international. My party. So yeah, we have Orion. Okay, yeah. This is Lashman. Thank God I'm not short. I actually feel for him. So yeah, this is Chill the Waves.
Stubborn man. You're very stubborn.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm
Say
very
nonsense.
You have to be stubborn to make it in this life. You get me?
Okay. I drop one word.
You know, in this life, whatever you do, get a bike.
You don't smoke.
You don't smoke.
Yeah. Boss.
Follow how you doing?
I did, boss.
You don't run just tomorrow?
Huh?
You don't go just?
Tomorrow? No, that's Monday.
Okay now.
Yeah. The house?
Okay, you see the header?
Yeah, sure.
Bros, let's see your face now. Why can't we see your face? After you finish shouting for us on Instagram, made the video popular and shit. Well done, bro.
Thanks.
That video just kill all of us. So we just there Abuja with the wonder. So why can't say this on? What's going on? Man, it's crazy.
Yeah,
Good
thanks,
to see you.
thanks. Yeah, same here.
For here, everybody blood just dey hot. I don't even understand. Maybe it's because of the Abuja weather. We don't know. Everybody was just in mood to ride. But I feel it's the road. The road is actually encouraging. You want to ride on it. No, how tired? I don't want to not tired. Yeah, you still want to ride on that road. That road is just too sweet.
Orion.
Just tell me why you no go ride. Just tell me why. See road. You said see road. The road is just too clear. Oh man. Now this place is gonna be road clear, no police, true, no police. No hold up, no pothole. I actually feel the camera is not making justice to the video, because what I was seeing from that back, the way the bikers were just maneuvering those cars, it's just too sweet. They sweet me. I really love that, and then I really enjoy that view. I wish you can. I don't know what's wrong with all these GS users. They go try one standing. I don't know why. They go one show themselves. See this one. My friend sit down there. What are you doing? Oh yeah, now one more. If you want to do it well, just be soaking like that. You don't go. Okay. Hello, Mr. Kel. Please take it easy. Mr. K is the only DS users where they always follow sport riders. Honestly speaking, Abuja is beautiful. This city is one of the most well-planned cities in Nigeria. Just see the arrangement.
You say what?
5 minutes, don't you ready?
Very fast.
Ah. I'm 5 minutes straight. Mama. I don't enjoy the road. We never start. No. On our road too sweet.
This road, eh?
On our road too sweet.
I will leave this road and take it to Lagos.
I swear. That was one hot 5 minutes.
Very hot.
So, alright guys, that's it for now. See you in the next vlog. Thank you. Bye.